Young woman, why is it appearing to me as if there is something you are itching to say? What is it?
Greetings, Mazi Okeke. Please, I came to check if Egodi is in the house.
Are you actually this jobless? What is that your name again?
Nchekube.
Nchekube? You came this early to check if Egodi is in the house. Where else will Egodi be by this time if not in the house?
Hey.
Where else?
Mama.
Yes.
Egodi is not in this house. So.
What?
I thought as much. So she slept there. Hey! You don't know. I saw Egodi and Ikemefuna holding hands together and eating popo. Ikemefuna was even the one that helped her to carry her bag. Very big bag, oh. Big bag. They were holding hands together, eating popo.
Ah! Are you this completely useless? So your daughter did not sleep in this house and you're not even aware?
Nah, why are you accusing me? Are you not the man of the house? Yesterday I slept very early and I was very weak.
Hey, but you people did not inform the entire village that you both have secretly given out your daughter's hand in marriage.
Hey, yeah, shut up! Shut up! Not this, sir. Who told you that? Who told you?
The house is obvious.
Only one daughter is one you cannot manage. Our daughter did not sleep in this house and you are not even aware as the woman of the house.
Even you're not aware now. Am I the only one in this house? I slept very early after
Oh, you are a failure. You are a failure as a woman. That's why you can be telling me this to my face.
I should be on my way.
Are you even still here?
Yes.
Are you not supposed to have gone already?
Okay.
Get out of this place.
Okay, thank you.
What is this? What is this? Where is he? Where is that son of a cow? Come out, Oshiso. Come out. Where are you? Come on. Come out.
Mazoki, what are you doing in my house this early?
You are asking as if you don't know. So you son of a cow, you have the mind to kidnap my daughter?
No, I did not kidnap her.
By the time I am done with you, you will understand why it is never good to be telling lies. You.
I did not kidnap her.
Grab this food. Beat it. Beat him.
What has my done to you? You want to kill my only son?
Leave grab this one.
Let me go. Please. He shall never be well with you. Ghost of Allah are going to punish you. You want to kill my only son for me? He shall never be well with you. Sorry. I'm joking. Sorry. Papa, please.
Are you stupid or what? Have you seen this machete before?
No, Papa.
Good. This is the machete of the warrior that I lifted from the abode of the masquerade. Now you're going to tell me the truth. What exactly were you doing with that boy? Did he do anything with you?
Ometorogata, did he touch you?
I am taking it!
I'm sorry, please.
You sneak out of my own house to go and be with this damn boy. I told you I don't want to see you with.
Papa, please. Godi, is it that you didn't remember me? Do you want me to die? You just left the house not thinking about your mother. Nemi, I'm sorry, please. Please help me tell Papa that I cannot marry that old man.
You are very stupid. Even if I was going to change my mind, because of this thing you have done, I will never change my mind. In fact, you are already married to Osonye Konsu, and there is nothing that can stop that. Shut up.
Papa, please.
Did he touch you? Did he touch you?
Mama, please.
Okay, you don't know. You want to put me in trouble. You know your father very well. Jaya Bakwan Nago.
My heart really longs for a strong connection. But I'm scared. I'm scared of what happened between Eminike and I. But I just pray that the gods hear my prayer and give me a man that I will call mine. I am tired of this loneliness.
My friend.
Egodi.
Are you going to peel all of this by yourself? Let me help
I am
you
already
go.
tired.
Ndo.
Thank the gods you're here.
It's okay. How is your brother?
It's fine. He went out.
Okay. Ne. I'm disturbed. Sometimes I feel I am cursed. Yes.
Why will you say such a thing?
I am lonely. I am empty. I don't have any man in my life. Sometimes I feel like...
It's okay. Egodi, do not say such things. Don't you know that whatever you speak with your tongue goes directly to the God's ear? Do you want to bring curse upon yourself?
But that is how I feel.
Egodi, your own man will come.
When? This is what you keep saying all the time.
Soon.
Soon.
Just trust, believe, your man will come. Don't say that again, okay? My beautiful friend. You are so beautiful.
Hey,
Mama.
Thank you so much for helping me with the cassava today. I wonder what I would have done if you didn't come. I would have died there today.
No, Ma. It is I, Egudi, you're thinking like this. For ordinary chores. Like you've not helped me with my own house chores before. Why are you thanking me like that?
Egodi. Whether you like it or not, I'll keep on saying
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend.
I've heard. Can we go?
I would have loved to escort you to your house. But I have to go somewhere now. My man, Ude, is waiting for me at the other so.
Oh, the lovers. It's okay, oh. Me that does not have one. Let me go home and be resting. Oh,
Ego.
why are you talking like this?
My dear friend, don't worry. Very soon, the gods will bless you with your own man.
He's
a very good man, wealthy, sweet man.
You say, from your mouth to the ears of the gods.
You say,
I claim it.
Amen.
I claim and I receive mine.
Okay.
One, I'll see you later.
My dear friend, thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
The lovers.
Bye. Bye-bye. Greet Mama for me.
Oh, Nanya, you just scared me.
Ude, my love, I am sorry for keeping you waiting.
If Nanya, why did you decide to starve me of your presence all day? Did you know a day without your presence around is a day unkind? I was patiently waiting to behold the face of my beautiful woman.
My love, I am sorry. I had a lot of cassava to peel today. If not for my friend Igodi, I would still be there. I am sorry.
You must have been stressed out. So why didn't you call me? You should have called me. Do you know I feel so bad not being around to help you?
How did you know I'm very tired?
It's written all over you. Even a non-looker can tell. You know what? You need to follow me to my hut so I can give you some herbs that can help you relieve you of the stress. You're stressed already.
How do you know that's what I need now? And are you sure it's only the herbs?
Come on. What? Where's your mind taking you? Of course you should know. Let's go.
Greetings, Nne.
Egodi, where are you coming from? Egodi, have you forgotten that we're supposed to prepare food for your father?
Nne, I'm sorry. I was just bored at home. I went to visit Mama. But I'm here now.
Ngwan, sit down. Carry. Finish up. Kill the yam. Wash and cook.
Okay.
Don't cut it big, oh.
Nne, I'm not a child.
You're not a child. Is this how I was cutting my own? Eh?
Nne, relax. Yam is yam.
Cutting is cutting.
Nne.
The day has broken and we have come to pray to you. Praying that as the day has broken, all the beautiful things of life that bring the good life, they will break with the day, so that we are going to enjoy. As the sun has set up in the sky and is shining everywhere, our activities for the day will actually shine. Shine to the extent that only beautiful things are the things we are going to see as we step out today. We are going to be like tomorrow because tomorrow has no end. Every single thing that is planning to eat us today will not see the light of day. They will not succeed. Only the things that we are going to eat are the things we are going to see when we step out. It is going to be good for us on Eke Market Day. It is going to be good for us on Ore Market Day. It is going to be good for us on Afro Market Day. It is going to be good for us on Nkwo Market Day. How are you today?
Fine. Nah. I'm here. Oh, my daughter. Nah. Tego. My husband. Otutoma.
Greetings to you.
Nah. I'm ready to go to the stream. Okay. You know today is Nkwo. Later in the day, you go to the market and buy something for us. Okay, Mama. See you soon. Papa. Come here.
Okay.
Greetings, beautiful maiden. Please, can you help me with water in your pot? I fell down on my way here.
You can go down this way. The stream is down there. You can wash your hands there.
But I won't take much of your water. Just a little will do the magic. Please.
Okay. Help me with the pot.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
May the gods reward you.
You say. Okay. Bye.
You did not tell me your name. My name is Ikemefuna.
My name is Egodi.
Thank you once again, Egodi.
You're welcome.
You're beautiful.
Mama. Egodi. Are you ready?
Yes, Mama, I'm ready.
Ezigbo nwa m. I hope you remember all the things I said you should buy for me from the market.
Hey, Nne. How many times are you going to ask me as if I'm a child? I remember.
Just for me to be sure, Adikwa Mama. Remember, remember to buy ogiri from Chienweke's wife. You know, she sells good ogiri. Don't buy from another person, no.
Okay, Mama. I won't forget.
Don't throw the money away. Egodi, put the money in.
Love lady, if Nanya. Love lady, if Nanya. Ejim love bia, donya mo bigi. Ejim love bia, donya mo bigi. onwere onye ga-asọ m n'ụwa ka isi asọ m.
Ego dị.
Onwere onye ga-amasị m ka
Ego
isi
dị.
masị m.
Ego.
Onwere onye ga-asọ m n'ụwa ka isi asọ m. Onwere onye ga-amasị m
Manka Amaka, she's so beautiful.
onwere onye ga-asọ m n'ụwa ka isi asọ m. Love,
I will wait for her here once I've done my work for the day. Yes, I know she will still pass here. She's so beautiful.
my true love, onye mbụ n'obi. My true love, onye mbụ n'obi. You are my love. Udala chala n'ụwa nwere onye ilo. Mma bụla bụkwa ede. Asikwana na ọghọgbugo onwe ya na nkọ. 'Cause love is for peace, love is for unity.
Greetings, beautiful maiden.
You again?
Yes, me again. I saw you at the village market buying things. I decided to wait for you here to say thank you for the water.
But you've said thank you already, and that is enough.
Yes, I know. But another thank you will show how grateful I am.
So I have to keep doing things for you to say thank you always.
Yes.
Okay.
It seems what you are carrying is heavy. Let me help you.
No, it's fine. I can handle it.
I insist. I want to help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, whose daughter are you?
It's not that you know everybody in this village, because our village is big enough.
Our village is not that too big. Maybe if you tell me who your father is, I might know him.
Yeah. I'm the daughter of Mazi Okeke from Umune Chicken Bread.
I know Mazi Okeke, the great hunter.
You know my father too well then.
Of course. Oh, mpaga ofuma. Asinoye mmadụ na-eme ka ije amịa. He killed a lion in his youth.
He did actually. He says it all the time.
I know your father.
And you? Who is your father?
I am late Mazi Ayika's son.
Okay. I'm close to my heart. I should take this.
I can help you. Let me walk you home.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you for making it easy for me.
You're welcome. So when next will I see you?
You want to see me again?
Yes, I want to see you again.
When?
Tomorrow. The same place we met this morning.
Okay.
Love lele, ifunanya. Love lele, ifunanya. Ejim love bia, donye mobigi. Ejim love bia.
Oh, wow. My daughter. Natago, come. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Don't want dalo. Hey, I hope you bought everything.
Yes, Mama. Things are very expensive. I had to manage to get these things.
That is why you are a woman. You should learn to manage. Dalo, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
I hope you got the ogiri from Ichie Nweke's wife.
Yes, Mama.
You bought from her?
I did.
Dalo.
Mama, I'm so tired.
Ndo, sorry. That calabash in the kitchen, your food is covered there. Let me go and see Rema, my friend.
Okay, Mama.
Take care of the house. So. Select you have for me. Once I come back, I'll cook the soup. Ah?
It's a dream. What in the name of the gods will I be dreaming of a man I just met this afternoon? And it felt real.
Ego.
Ego, what happened? I've been waiting for you at the Udala tree.
I was so tired, so I decided to sleep a little.
Sleep? By this time of the day? Are you sure you don't have Iba?
Nah, I don't have Iba, Biko. I was just tired. I had a dream. And I don't know, it feels strange.
Tell me about this dream.
Okay, before I do, I met this young man. A handsome looking man. On my way back from the stream.
A man? What's his name and whose son is he?
His name is Ikemefuna. He's the son of late Iche Aika.
Ikemefuna? The son of Letitia Aika? Ah! He is the most popular flutist in this village.
Is he?
Yes.
If he's that popular, why have I not heard of him before?
Why would you? It's either you are here making your mat weaving, or you are at the stream, or you are going to the market, or you are visiting me. How would you know?
Back to the story. I met him on my way back from the stream. He asked me for water to wash his hands. Initially, I refused, but he pleaded and pleaded, so I had to give him some. Then later, when I was coming back from the market, I met him on the way again. He helped me carry my basket. He walked me down home. But the confusing part is that someone I just met today, this afternoon, I'm already dreaming of him. And it feels so real. So safe.
Have you heard that belief? When you meet someone 2 times in a day and also dream about the person. Have you heard about that?
Hey, nah. That's not real. It doesn't work. It's just a mere myth.
It's not a myth. And the earlier you believe, the better for you. Just know that the gods have answered your prayers. I'm happy for you. Enough of your stories, my dear friend. What did you cook?
Food. That is all you know. Hey.
Oh, please be fast. The worms in my stomach, they are singing. Please.
They're not dancing. I'm supposed to be dancing. I'm coming.
Be fast though. My friend has finally found love. Be fast though. Hey. My friend. Eh?
Let me bring water.
Be fast. Hey! Okolobia oyibo bem. Yeah. Nah.
Nemo!
Hi! Okolobia oyibo nwam.
Nem.
Nwam mochala amocha. It has been a long time I saw you this happy. Eh? What happened?
Yes, indeed I am happy. Because I found a beautiful maiden I want to marry.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey,
Nne, she's so beautiful.
So you have grown to get married. Okay, now tell me, who is this maiden? What is her name? Is she from this village? And whose daughter is she? Tell me.
Nne, all these questions for me.
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll answer you everything. Her name is Egodi, the daughter of Mazi Okeke, the great hunter of Umune chicken dread.
I know Mazi Okeke. Mazi Okeke and your late father used to be very good friends long time ago.
Okay. But Nne, you look sad. You are not happy.
I don't think it's going to work out.
Eh?
Yes, forget everything about that maiden.
Ha!
There are so many maidens in this village.
Nne, Bukwanumak again. Why?
It's still early. Kill whatever you have for this maiden. Inanya.
Nne.
I'm going now.
Egodi in my dream, and she was dancing to my flute. Is the gods trying to tell me something? I will not listen to Nne on this. I will go for my heart. Yes. Even if it's impossible, with the gods, with the blessings of the gods, something good will come out of it. I just wish this will be real. I just want it to come out real.
Hi, Chimo.
Nne.
Ego.
Toma.
Ụtụtụ ọma nwa m. You have washed the plate, cooked, and now you're sweeping the compound.
Yes.
Let me ask you, when did you wake up? Did you even sleep at all?
I did. I had to wake up early so I could finish the chores. I need to go and deliver my woven mat to my customer.
My daughter, you see, the man that will marry you will be counted as a lucky man.
Nah, you've woken up with your flatteries.
But you know I cannot flatter my own daughter. I'm telling you the truth.
Thank you, Mama. Let me just finish up so I'll just bring your food for you.
Food this early morning?
Yes, Mama.
Bah. How? Mom. Chukwu okike gozie gị. Daalụ.
Egodi, thank you for coming. Honestly, I did not know that you will come, not to talk on time.
You're welcome, Ikemefuna.
I love how my name sounds in your mouth. Hope you had a good night.
Yes, I did. You have to be fast. I need to go and fetch water for my mother, then deliver my weaved mat and basket to my customers.
You weave basket and mats?
Yes. I learned it from my grandmother. In fact, she passed the knowledge to me before she died.
I must say you are talented and hardworking.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
I should be going now.
Okay, can we do this more often? Please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I should be going.
All right. Egodi.
Love lady, ifunanya. Love lady, ifunanya. Ejim love bia, donye mo bigi. Ejim love bia, donye mo bigi. Onwere onye ga-asọm n'ụwa ka isi asọm. Onwere onye ga-amasị m ka isi masị m.
Iji Udemba, this is a very, very wonderful and fresh palm wine. Where did you buy this from?
It was freshly tapped this morning. I bought it from Aleka, the great palm wine tapper.
I should have known. Aleka is the only one who can tap such fresh and sweet palm wine in the whole of this village.
You can say it again. Kedu, did you go to the stream?
Yes, Papa. How is everyone at home? And my friend?
Oh, they are all fine. No, Mom. Oh.
It's all right. Ego, as soon as you keep the water, ask your mother to serve me something to eat.
Okay, Papa.
Good, we are welcome.
My good friend, Mazi Okeke, I came to find out the people that cultivated that your farmland. I want to cultivate my land very close to village market.
Akuna and his friends are the ones who helped me cultivate that farm. They are hard-working young men of this land, unlike some of their colleagues who are just moving around the whole of this kingdom aimlessly without doing anything serious for themselves.
Yes. They are hardworking, and they are the future that will make us proud in this village. Well, no problem. I will contact them because they did a very good job on that your farmland.
You can say that. You can say that again.
You
can say that again.
The best palm wine tapper in this
fresh. I'm telling you, it's fresh.
Papa is ready to eat.
I'm ready. Come and dish you. Okay. While I serve your father.
Okay, Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Chikube, why are you blocking my way?
Ikem, why are you avoiding me lately? Is it because of that maiden, Egodi?
How do you mean?
You think I do not know? Look, I am the eyes that sees all the happenings in this village. I have tried my best to show you how much I love and care for you. Instead, you choose that ugly maiden over me.
Don't touch me, please. Listen, Nchekube.
Please, just give me the opportunity to show you what true love really looks like. Please.
Nchekube, I am not in the mood for this your nonsense. Leave my way. Do not block me next time.
Fine, I will leave your way. But I promise you that I will never give up on you. It came!
What am I before? I'm your mother's elder sister. Shekube, what is the meaning of this?
And why are you blocking our path?
So you are the one that has taken my man away from me. I have come to warn you to stay clear from him.
And who is your man?
Ikem Efuna is my man. Stay clear from him.
You must be joking, right? I mean, Ikem Efuna is your man and no one in this village knows.
Yes. He is my man. And I have come to warn you, Egodi, that you should stay away from him. Everybody in this village knows I do not look for trouble. But when it comes to my Ikem, I will fight. Even if it to cost the last drop of my blood, I will fight and make sure I have him all to myself. Do not say I did not warn you.
Anyway, she's joking. I know she's joking. Just calm down. Calm. See, when next you see Ikem Efuna, ask him about this. I know she's just joking, but just ask him. Do not take any decision yet. Please. Let us go.
Ego.
What is it?
Ego, where have you been? I've been looking out for you.
Leave me, please. I want to go and fetch water.
Ego. Did I do anything wrong? Please tell me. I can apologize.
You did nothing wrong. I'm just avoiding troubles.
Talking to me now causes trouble.
Your girlfriend. She warned me to stay away from you.
Girlfriend?
Yes.
Please, who is this girlfriend that I do not know about?
Nchekube.
Nchekube.
She stopped my friend and I on the road and warned us seriously. In fact, she warned me particularly that I should stay away from her man, and that is what I'm doing. Please.
Ego, I swear by the gods, I have nothing going on between Chikube and I. She has been the one running after me, but I have never for once given her a chance.
Really?
Yes, please believe me.
She makes it look like you are a man.
No.
And she's your woman.
No, she's not my woman. I have nothing to do with her. I am telling you the truth.
Please, I don't want troubles. I want to go.
Ego. Ego. Egodi.
So divided, heart apart, no more unity, hatred is here.
Ikem, why are you angry? Did I do anything wrong?
Did you harass Egodi and her friend in Norma?
Did they tell you I harassed them? No, I did not. I only told Egodi to stay away from my man.
And who is your man?
Ikem Efuna.
Shift.
Soon, you will know that I am the best woman for you. We will live together and have children together.
No need for this long conversation. I am here to warn you to stay away from Egodi. Do not bother her again. She is my love interest, and there is nothing you or anyone can do about it.
Ikem, I love you.
This is my last warning.
I love you from my heart. Please, give me a chance, Ikem. Ikem, please, I love you. Ikem. Ikem.
Udala chala chano wa welonyilo. Mabula pukwede.
Egodi.
Asikwana na obugo mwe yananko.
Egodi, please.
Cause love is for peace.
Egodi.
Love is for unity.
Egodi.
What is it?
Egodi, please.
What?
You have to listen to me. I do not have anything to do with Nchekube. I even want her to stay away from us.
I think I'll leave both of you to talk.
To where? We could stay here.
Egodi.
I am warning you for the last time. Stay away from me. In fact, you two, you and what's her name again? I do not care to know. Just stay away from me. And please, don't hold me back again.
Ego, please, listen to me.
Mama, let's go.
Egodi. Mama, please help me. Talk to...
Cause love is for peace, love is for unity. Papa me chokwana bimo, esinna me chokwana momo. Ayiwanga, me chokwana bimo. Ayiwanga, ditebu no bimo. Ayiwanga.
You love Ikemefuna, right?
Love who? Pick up one. And why do you say so?
The way you're getting angry and the way you're taking those issues shows that you love him. I mean, he said he has nothing to do with Nchekube, and I believe him.
I don't know what you're saying. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't love anybody.
You do. And the earlier you realize that, the better for you. Well, just give him a chance. Listen to him. I believe him.
Yama, first of all, you say you think. You're not even sure. And now you say give him chance. Okay.
Ego.
I have heard you now. I have heard you. I have heard you. Can we go now? Can we?
Just listen, okay? Follow your heart. I know you love him. Ego, my friend.
Stop.
Sorry. Sorry. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
So sorry. Ego, please. Can we see at our usual meeting and talk?
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I will be expecting you.
Love lele, ifunanya. Love lele, ifunanya. Ejim love bia, donye mo bigi. Ejim love bia, donye mo bigi. Onweronye ga samu no wa kisi asamu. Onweronye ga masimo kisi masim. Onweronye ga samu no wa kisi asamu. Onweronye ga masimo kisi masim. Onweronye ga samu no wa kisi asamu. You are my lover. Love, I love you, baby. Onyenke mo. You are my lover. You are my lover. I love you. I love you, baby. You are my lover. You are my lover. I love you, baby. My true love. You are my lover. My true love. You are my love. I love you, baby. You are my love. Udala chala chano wa welonyilo. Mabula pukwede. Asikwana na ogobugo mwenye nanko. Cause love is for peace, love is for unity. Papa me chokwana bimo. Esina me chokwana momo. Me chokwana bimo. Dike buno bimo.
Egodi! What are you still doing outside by this time of the night?
I'm just enjoying the cool breeze of the night.
Come, let's go inside before it gets cold.
No. I just want to look at the skies and enjoy the view.
Looking at the skies by this time of the night, are you okay? Come, let's go inside. There is cold. Kai bani me. What is in the sky? Oh, Chineke.
Love lady, if nanya. Love lady, if nanya. Ejim love bia, don't yambo biggie. Ejim love bia, don't yambo biggie. And where on ye got some no wakisi a some. And where on ye got massimo kisi massim. And where on ye got some no wakisi a some. Where on ye got massimo kisi massim. Where on ye got someone no wakisi a some. You are my love, love, I love you, baby. You are my love, you are my love, I love you, I love you, baby. You are my love, you are my love, I love you, baby. My true love, I am gonna be. My true love, I am gonna be. I love you, baby. You are my love.
Ne.
I don't know, Mama. What is it?
Ne, please. I want to marry a Goldie. Mazio Keke's daughter.
I'm not against your relationship with her. I've seen her a couple of times. She is a good girl. But her father is the issue.
Can you please tell me what happened between my father and Mazio Keke?
It is something that happened a long time ago.
Please tell me, Pico.
Your late father and Mazio Keke used to be very good friends. And something happened.
Aika, my friend.
Okay, my very good friend.
The gods have blessed us with a very good reward today.
You can say that again. Aika, Aika, look at that maiden coming over there.
Oh.
I have been seeing that maiden lately. I like that maiden. And I'm sure within myself I want to make her my wife. Well, she's beautiful, no doubt. But she's not my type. Aika, I know it's not your type.
Greetings, young men of our kingdom.
Greetings. Greetings, go on here. Manang. This is typical example of beauty. I'm not asking you if she's your type or not. I know she's not your type. You've already confirmed to me that you don't like short ladies.
The journal, sister.
I can say, I like that lady. I like her a lot. I want to make her my wife. But the problem here is that I cannot talk to her. I am not man enough to talk to her. I might be a courageous man, but when it comes to women, I don't have that courage.
So what do you want to do now?
I want you to help me and talk to her on my behalf.
What?
Take my loves to her, please.
Me?
Aika, you're
No.
my friend.
No. Okay, I can't. I can't talk to her.
Aika, please.
I think you should do that yourself.
I know, but I can't do this one.
You need to show that you're a man.
I am not a man in this one. Aika, help your friend now.
I cannot help you.
I promise you, if you do this thing for me, I will reward you. It's my promise as your friend, please.
Okay, my friend.
Aika.
Are you sure?
I will fulfill everything that comes out from my mouth. You know it.
You know, I don't play with promises. Hope you know that.
Aika. Is that yes?
But no problem.
Yes? You talk to her.
I will help you talk to her. Don't worry.
Aika, my man! Aika, my man!
Help me on this.
Please, I don't know what to do. I see myself as if I'm not man enough, like you said. I know I'm not.
You already know you're not man enough.
I know. I don't know.
Hello.
Indeed, she's beautiful. Just like my friend Okeke said. She's the right one for every eligible bachelor in our kingdom. But my friend Okeke already shown interest in her.
Greetings, Anka.
Greetings, Moye. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I would love to discuss something with you.
Okay. I am listening.
You know, I've always have eyes on you in this kingdom. And I would love to make you my wife.
What? Are you serious about this, Anka?
Yes, I mean it.
In that case, come with your people to see my people.
Do you mean it?
Very serious.
I and my people will be coming to see your people in the next 4 AK market days. What a beauty.
Okay.
I'm so happy.
I will be expecting you, and I will do well to tell my people about you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Umbowe. Bye, my beautiful wife.
Bye.
What a beauty. Gods of our land. Thank you for doing this for me.
I come, my good friend.
Okay, my friend.
You always have fresh palm wine in your heart. You always know what is good for your good friend.
Okay, my very good friend.
Welcome.
You are welcome to my home. Let me give you this fresh palm wine. As if I know you are coming.
Oh, my brother.
Okay.
This wine, it smells very fresh.
Yes.
I guess.
Very fresh. Okay.
Let me guess. This palm wine is from Mazuo.
As if you know. You are right.
And I'm a man is I'm a miss Umphua. Come on, go away. Yes. Many coast my brother.
You are welcome to my
home. You know what is good.
Of course I know.
India now we're following in Kuno. You couldn't go in Kay. I Kandosia nana. Even more than me, even on yours. Welcome. Well, later. Take this one. My friend. My friend. Dalo one them. Dalo.
Aye. So what brought you to my home? Ayeka. Ima na asị na awarịrị agba ọsọ efi n'efu. Na anụ gba aja ọsọ, anyị agba anya aja egbe. N'ugo na-efe ebe, anyị nwa budinta, a na-agbụ ya esi. I came to know the outcome of the discussion with Mboye. I want to know the outcome, what people discussed. You know, I told you that I want to make her my wife. And there's no night that I'm sleeping that I'm not seeing her in my dream. I'm telling you the truth. That's why I came to you. Let me know the outcome. Oh, that. I have discussed with her concerning what we both talked about. But she's just been unnecessarily stubborn. But don't worry, my friend. I assure you, I will keep talking to her.
So far it is Mboye. I, Okeke, will continue to wait. I will wait for her because they say that the patient dog eats the fattest bone.
Of course.
You are right. Okay, what I go? I will wait. So far it is from Mboye. Very soon, I will get her. Because you are helping me. Yeah? You are my friend and I know you always at my back.
I'm your friend indeed. Don't worry.
Aye, come on, man. Aye, come on, man.
Trust me.
I'm seeing myself as the husband of Mboye already.
Already?
Makadam we working as him. Mpuga atoka. Ndo one ndo.
Don't mention.
I can finish it, Abby.
Yeah, you can finish it. It's all yours. It's all yours.
Ayeka. Oya mwa bi mwa mwado. Dalo no. Ana alokwa. Dalo no.
Greetings, okay.
Greetings, Mboye. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you for asking.
I wrote again, Mama. Look at how grown man like me is vegetating because of a woman. Okay. Thank the gods that my friend is talking. Kini kami sinalalo. Dalo no. Kugo, Omalishanwa, the most beautiful woman in this kingdom, as far as I'm concerned.
You love to flatter me.
You can say that again. Where is he? Where's Aika? Aika! Aika, why? Why did you do that to me, Aika? Okay, please calm down. Calm down. You are telling me to calm down. When I begged you to take my love interest to her, you went behind me and wooed her, married her to yourself, Aika. Aika, give me a reason why I should not cut off your head from your neck. Okay, please calm down. You know, it wasn't done deliberately. You see, in the process of talking to her, I fell in love with her. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Aika. From today, I curse you. Aika, you cease to be my friend. I curse you with Ajani. Even in our next world, Aika, we will remain enemies. Let Ajana bear me witness. Okay. Remember, we have been friends from childhood.
What is he talking about?
I'm finished.
Aika, why didn't you tell me about this?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My son, ever since then, the paths have never crossed.
Why am I just hearing this story?
Because no one knows that anything will ever make the paths ever cross in this lifetime. That is why I initially opposed your relationship with Egodi. Don't blame me, son. I'm never against your relationship with Egodi. Everyone in this village knows that Egodi is a good girl. And any man that will get married to her is lucky. But I think her father is going to be a stumbling block.
I understand you. But I am willing to fight for our love. And I believe she's willing too.
If you say so, there is no problem. I give you my full support. Go ahead and marry her. Oh, no.
Thank you.
Thank you, my son.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I will tell her to come and see.
Yeah.
So, Ego, that is what happened.
What? Hold on. You mean my father and your father were best friends and now sworn enemies?
I was as shocked as you are now when they told me yesterday.
Obium, does it mean our love stands no chance?
No. Our love stands a big chance. Please do not say that again. You know why? Because I will fight for our love. And I also want you to know that my mother is not against you.
Really?
Yes, she's not.
That means I'll fight for us too.
Thank you, Ego. I love you so much.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Can you play me your magical flute that makes my heart leap anytime I hear it?
I will do anything possible to make my love happy.
Ne.
Ne. Ikem Mom.
Greetings, Ne.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
Greetings,
Ne,
Ikem.
this is Egodi.
Is she the one?
Yes.
Oh, she's such a beautiful girl.
Thank you, Mama.
My daughter.
Yes, Ne.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Ne.
Sit down.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, Ikem, you truly have eyes for good things. Oh, one car, Maka.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
My daughter, I hope my son Ikem have told you all his story about his late father and your father.
Yes, Mama. I was surprised to hear the story too.
I know it's not going to be an easy one. And your father will disapprove your relationship with Ikem because he's a very difficult man.
Yes, Mama. My father is tough. But I am ready to fight.
Eh?
I am ready to fight for our love, Mama.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, that is good. May the gods of our land favor you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Please, let me help you.
You want to help me?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, it's bon one. Hey, good care.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
So after everything I have done to get Ikem's attention, yet he still chooses Egodi over me. Why am I always unlucky? I am very beautiful and attractive. Yet I do not get the kind of men that I want. I only get the kind of man that I do not like. Because of our land. Egodi, for taking the love of my life away from me. I swear by the gods, I will deal with you. This is a promise.
Why are you still here? What is depriving you of your sleep?
Nay, I'm in love with a young man. But I'm scared.
Chelo?
Our love might be under a threat.
You're in love? Eh? So why am I getting to know about it? Who is this young man? And what makes you think your love is under threat?
Yes, Nay, I'm in love. I'm in love with Ikemefuna, the son of late Ichie Aika.
Oh, wow! Son of late Ichie Aika? Hell! Well, for you to say all these things, it means you must have heard the story. Akwaya?
Yes, Nay. But I love him. I love Ikem. And I know he loves me too. He's been the only man that's genuinely loved me, Mama. I can't afford to lose him. I know he loves me. He's the only man that has shown me true love.
My daughter, if you're sure you love him and he loves you, fight for it.
I am ready to fight. But it won't be easy.
My daughter, I know. It's going to be a hard nut to crack. But since both of you love each other, fight for your love. Okay? And that is even the reason you should go get some sleep. Sleep and gather enough strength to fight for what rightfully belongs to you when the time comes. And you know how sick you can be when you face difficulties.
Yeah, just go and sleep. I'll join you soon.
So I've been wasting my time.
Nah.
Let's go together now.
I'll join you.
Let's go.
Yeah, just go. I'll come.
Oh. So you will not follow me? You will join me? Ungwano?
Love lady, ifunanya. Love lady, ifunanya. Ejim love obia, donye mo bigi. Ejim love obia, donye mo bigi. Onwero nye gansam no wakisi asam.
Egum.
Oh.
You scared me.
I'm sorry.
It's fine. And my love, you kept me waiting.
I'm sorry. I had to run some errands for my mother. Moreover, I feel weak and sick.
You are sick?
I don't
What
know.
happened to you?
I don't know. I feel like I have Iba.
Have you taken any herbs?
Not yet. I always feel like this when I'm emotionally stressed.
My love, please, I don't want you to stress yourself. You know you are all that I have, apart from my mother.
I won't. I'll try my best.
Always be fine for me, okay? And I've decided to come and see your father.
Bim,
Yes?
are you sure this is the right time?
Yes. This is the right time. The earlier, the better.
I'm scared. I hope it goes well.
Yes, it will. Just believe. Okay?
Bim,
Hmm?
can you play me your flute? You know, it kind of energizes me whenever I'm down.
It's nothing. I'll blow my flute for you. Greetings, Ichie Okeke.
Greetings, young man. And what are you doing in my compound with a keg of palm wine?
Mazi Okeke. My name is Ikeme Funa, and I want to see you, sir.
You want to see me?
Yes.
With a keg of palm wine? Interesting. You may be seated.
Thank you, now.
So, may I know why you are here?
Like I said, my name is Ikeme Funa, and I am interested in marrying your daughter Egodi.
Very nice. That is good. Because now looking at you, you appear as someone who is qualified to be married to my daughter. Is my daughter aware of this?
Yes, she's aware.
Good. So, who are your parents?
My father's name is late Ichie Ayeka, and my mother's name is Mbonye.
Did you say Leticia Ayeka?
Yes, Ichie Ayeka.
And you are here with a keg of palm wine asking to be allowed to marry my daughter?
Is it that you are looking for an easy way to die? Or you don't know the history?
I am aware of what happened many years ago, which was my father's mistake. But I am sure that he will be regretting everything he did in his grave now.
A mistake, right?
Yes.
And you are sure he is regretting in his grave? I love your courage. And I salute the high level of bravery you are exhibiting. You know what? Just sit down here and wait for me. Let me get you something nice to drink. Something really nice.
Thank you.
I will be right back.
Thank you, Nai. Ego.
You have to leave now. You have to leave.
Why?
Get up. You have to leave now.
Your father said that he wants to bring something for me to drink. Why are you asking me to leave?
Ikem, I know my father too well. He's not
What is it? Why are you still running?
You should have stayed back and convinced me how he's going to be my son-in-law.
Naibiko, calm down.
Calm down what?
Papa, I love him. Oh. I'm going to marry him. I must marry him.
You love him?
Yes, Papa.
You're going to marry him. You must marry him. There's no problem. Go ahead and marry him, and I'm telling you that once that happens, you have signed your appointment with death.
Mama, tell Papa I'll marry Kemo.
They love each other. Oh. They love each other. Oh, don't mind your father.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Ikem, I told you to be hard to convince my father. I know my father. What if one day he hurts you?
Igom, are you giving up on us already?
No, I can't. I won't do that. Just that what I just saw back there is scary. I'm scared.
Igom, I will be fine. Okay? Trust me when I say everything will be fine soon.
Are you sure?
Yes. Nothing will stop my love for you.
Okay. I should be going back then.
Okay.
Love lady, if unanya. Love lady, if unanya. Ejim love obia, donye mo bigi. Ejim love obia, donye mo bigi. Onweronye ga someone wakisi ya someone.
What I say? If I fail to kill that young man, that should mean I have not the son of my father.
Dimoma.
What kind of insult is that?
Please calm down.
How can I be coming down? When the useless son of Ayeka had the nerves to step his scorched legs into my compound to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage. Why should I come down?
But Dimoma, they love each other.
Love? What useless love are you talking about? Oh, have you forgotten what the father did to me? The betrayal? Have you forgotten?
Dimoma, the way you go about this whole thing, something tells me that you still love Moye and not me, and I know it's true. It's Moye that you love.
Hey, listen. If you don't have anything tangible to say, just shut up and get out of my sight. Love an anonymous wife.
I know you love her. I know you love her. Not me. Stop pretending.
I love an anonymous wife. And you're saying that to my face. Shut up.
I know you love Moye.
Come on. Just get inside. Snake. If a snake fails to do what a snake can do, chances are that they will catch it and throw it into the fire. I will show them. I'm going to show them what a snake can do.
Okay, Mom. Actually, abacha. What?
No. I went to see Mazi Okeke today.
Huh? Even not man, never knew Chacha. So after warning you not to go there, You later went. Hi. But I hope he did not do anything to you.
Yeah, I'm fine. But you have not asked me the outcome of it.
It's because I know Mazokeke and his temperament. What can we walk in now? Hey.
Yeah. That man nearly killed me today. He nearly killed me with a machete. If not for Igodi, by now.
Hey!
Hey,
wait, Chinekemu. But I want you. Please, Biko, Biko. Don't go there again next time. Biko can na yogi.
I'm not doing anything
You are my
wrong.
only son. I don't want to lose you. Because of a woman, a maiden.
No, I'm not doing anything wrong. I want to marry her daughter. That's all. I have good plan. You and a trauma also.
Ofumbo she olo gba na mbe furishi. Mo bujukocha wa baga na abo.
Maka gini.
Maka ira ni we. Ị na-eme ka nna gị, o me ka nne ya.
Yeah, leave that thing first. Me, I'm in love with her daughter.
Eziokwu.
I'll still go again.
Yeah.
Deo.
Hey, good. How are you doing today?
Fine, Papa.
Good.
Papa, please. There's something I want to talk to you about.
You are always free to talk to me about anything, but I just hope what you want to say has nothing to do with that cursed son of a cursed man.
Papa, Ikem is not cursed. His father too isn't. I love him. And he's the only man I've ever loved like this. In fact, I cannot live without him, Papa.
What I now see is that I actually gave you a lot of freedom. That is why you can open your mouth and speak in this manner right before me. Well, one thing is clear. My daughter is now grown and is seeing herself as one who is qualified to be married as a wife. No problem. I have a merchant of Urunebo, who is looking for a wife. I am going to connect both of you so that you will become his wife.
Never, Papa. I will not. I will not marry any other man that is not Ikem.
Well, just shut up. Shut up, you unconscious daughter of mine, and get out of my face. Get out.
Papa, I will not do it. I will not marry. I will not marry any other man. I won't.
You are not going to marry the one I want you to marry. No problem. Am I not the one who will give you out a marriage? Let us see how you are going to marry the cursed son of a cursed man. Useless daughter of mine.
My good friend Okeke. Mazi Okeke. This is a pleasant surprise.
Also, Ugezu, my very good friend. The richest man of his clan. The biggest in his own age grade. My very personal friend. I am actually delighted that I met you at home.
That's very good. That's very good. You're a good friend of mine.
Thank you. Thank you. So, where are your wives and the children? Your house is looking rather very quiet.
You are very correct. They have gone to their respective farms.
Oh.
And I've really decided to be on my own.
I can understand.
How is your family?
My family, we are doing very great. We are doing very great.
My good friend, let me get you a color.
No, you don't need to bother yourself.
I have one.
No, I came here for something really important. And I want us to settle down and discuss it.
Okay.
Good. It is actually in connection with what Ishie Udemba whispered into my ear the other day we were talking. He mentioned that you are planning to take another wife.
You're very correct.
I am not surprised.
You're very correct.
I am not surprised.
I need another wife.
The man who has his money can always aspire to do anything at any point in time.
That is what you say.
He can aspire at any point to marry a new wife. Because the money is there.
No, the money is there really.
So, have you seen the maiden
you will make your new wife?
Not that I've not seen anybody, but I am praying and I'm planning to have one soon.
You may not need to be praying and planning. That is actually why I am here. I want to believe you will still remember my daughter Egodi. Egodi has matured into a woman. She has become a very, very wonderful maiden already. And she has convinced me that she is of marriageable age. I am very certain that if you make her your new wife, she is going to make a good wife to you.
Wait, do you mean the little Egodi of yesterday? She has grown this big to be a wife?
I am telling you, when you see her, you will be very impressed.
That's okay. I will come to your house.
Okay.
Immediately. Let me come and let me look at her and see how. What are you saying?
I have just brought information to you. It is now late for you to do the others, but as soon as you make up your mind, I am going to make everything very simple for you. As my very good friend.
I'm doing something now. Because I am going to start planning right now. I have the money.
Oh, so you go to
let my money come to your family.
I know. I trust you.
Good. Ego. I'm thinking of paying your father another visit.
Obim, don't you think it's risky?
My love, if I do not go and meet him, how would he accept our love? We just need to sort things out.
I don't want what happened to repeat itself again.
My love, nothing will happen to me, okay?
Okay.
I'll go and meet him.
Okay.
He's a man. I'm a man. I'll face my fears.
Okay.
Your daughter has grown so big and more beautiful.
But I told you, she has become a mature woman, both in her brain and in her physical appearance.
Can you see?
Of course, and that is why I said you are the one who is qualified to have her.
In the honest truth, I can see my wife in her. And let me tell you, I take the offer.
Good. So, when are you coming?
In the next 4 market days. I'll be here with my people to take my wife.
Good. I am going to arrange everything so that once you arrive, everything will just go.
It is done.
I'm telling you.
I am going to get prepared now.
I know.
Hey!
I have always known that I can trust you.
Such a beautiful girl.
You are the one that would do. What would you have?
Are you the one that begot this girl?
Oh, so you go to the body. It's good, buddy. It's good, buddy.
Hey!
In the next 4 market days, like you said, I will be waiting.
4 market days.
Out.
4 market days. Hey! Wonderful, beautiful girl.
Hey, Godi. Hey, Godi. Please, call your mother for me and then come with her. There is something important I want to discuss with both of you.
Okay, Papa.
Mama, you're back.
Yes. But if you please sit down.
I hope all is well.
All is well, actually, because I have good news.
Good news, Kwa.
Yes, good news. I believe you both remember my friend, also Ugezu.
Who doesn't know also Ugezu? Yes, we know him.
Good. I called to inform you that you will be coming with his people in the next 4 market days. He's coming specifically to pay Egodi's bride price and take her home. Twice. That's good news.
What?
The good news.
Papa, that man with many wives, may the gods forbid.
How can you be saying that because of it before me?
Rather, Papa, you know that Ikem is going to marry me.
Who is Ikem? When you're talking about men that are standing and you're talking about a riffraff cursed son of a cursed man. No, how can you be saying that? Also, Ugezu is the one that is going to be your husband. It's a decision that I have taken, and it is final.
Mama, please don't do this to her. Also, Ugezu is old enough to be her father.
But he is very rich. And to the best of our knowledge, he has all it takes to take very good care of our daughter. That is what matters. We should be talking about a man who has experience, not a fool who doesn't do anything. Also, Ugezu has already married a girl. I need you to understand that. And this is there is nothing anybody can do about it.
Never, Papa. It will not work. Impossible. I will not.
Just see the way she's making noise as if she's the one who is in charge.
But
no. What you should do is to go and talk to your daughter. This one is already settled. Also, Ugezu. Final.
You mean I should not say it?
Be very fast in talking to her so you can get me something to eat. Fast.
Hey.
I don't even understand why would anybody be angry with this? Talking about a man who has experience, who has everything. You're telling me about a riffraff who has nothing.
Ugezu, are you still crying? Eh? Stop crying before you fall sick. What is it?
Is it not better for me to stay here and cry? Let me sober. Let me stay here and sober. How can my own father give me away, me his daughter, to an old man? A man old enough to be my own father, a man old as himself. Hey Mama, just how? I will run. Mama, I will run away and I won't come back.
Chimo, Egodima, you will leave me here and run away. Do you want to kill your mother? Do you want to kill me? Where are you running to?
It's better for me to go, Mama. It's better for me to run away.
I know you do no such thing. I've been talking to your father. I've been trying my best. You know who your father is.
And where do you think you are going?
Papa, I want to go and see my friend.
You mean the riffraff? You mean that cursed son of a cursed man? What is wrong with you? Were you not the same person I told that I do not want you to be seen anywhere with that young man? Now you want to sneak out and say, listen, you are no longer allowed to leave this compound until your marriage with Ugezu is finalized. Final. Am I clear on this?
But this is too much for me now. It's too much.
Get inside the house. As in now. Get inside! Hey, come. Inside.
Mama, taking her freedom from her will be too much on her. Just tamper justice with Mercy. Allow her go out and see her friends.
If you get involved in this matter in a way that provokes me, you will not like the way I will handle it. Very careful. Be guided.
What I have been looking for all my life.
Just for her to go out and see her friends or what problem?
Bless me with it. Allow me.
What kind of a thing is this?
Go ahead and marry the love of my heart.
Greetings, Sine. Ah, my daughter. How are you? I'm fine, Mama. You have come to see your friend Egodi. Yes, but I'm not seeing her anywhere. Is she around? She's in her hut. Go inside and see her. Okay, Mama. I'll eat too.
Ah, maybe. In that case, let me bring more yam now.
Okay, Mama.
Dalo.
Hey, Egodi! Egodi! Egodi!
Egodi.
Egodi, have you been crying? You're looking so pale.
My friend, my world is crumbled.
May the gods forbid. Your world will never crumble. What happened?
My father wants to marry me off to Ugezu J Ugezu.
That old man with many wives? How?
He's just doing all of that to separate me from Ikem. And the worst is, he said I should not leave this compound.
That's very bad. What are you going to do? Does Ikem know about this?
My friend, please. Thankfully, you're here. Please help me tell Ikem about the situation.
Okay, I will. But you have to stop crying. You're looking pale. This is not the beautiful Egodi I used to know. It's okay. Calm. It's okay. It's okay.
Ikem! 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 Ikem!
What are you doing here and why do you look so worried?
Ikem, it's Egodi.
Egodi? What happened to Egom? Is she alright?
No, she's not okay. Her father wants to marry her off to Ugezu J Ugezu in 3 days' time.
What? Marry her to who? That old man with many wives?
Yes.
Ah, no. I'll never let that happen. I must go and meet Mazoke.
Ikem, be careful.
You cursed son of a betrayer. No, you cursed son of a cursed man. What are you doing in my compound? Are you wishing for death or what?
Please, I beg you in the name of the gods, do not marry Egodi to that old man.
Now, who told you you are qualified to beg me for anything, not to talk of begging me in the name of the gods? How dare you come into my compound to tell me what to do?
I am sorry if I did, but you cannot marry her off against her wish. We both love each other. Please, Nai, do not separate two people in love.
Is it that you have actually decided that your blood must be spilled in my compound? You know, is that what you want? For me to kill you here? What is wrong with you?
Nai, be cool. I beg you in the name of the gods, do not do this to Egodi and I. I am sorry for whatever my father did to you in the past.
May the gods punish you for coming into my compound to mention your father. What is wrong with you? I am talking about the insult you are heaping on me by coming here to say that you want to marry my daughter. You're mentioning your father to me. You know what? Just stand up. Stand up and sit down. Wait for me. I'm coming.
Sit down. Okay. Wow. I'm sorry for what my father did to you. It's none of my fault. It's not my fault. Biko.
Hey! Uncle Ewe!
Hey! Ewe! My love. My love. I've really missed you.
I've missed you too.
I heard what happened. I hope you are fine.
Ikem, let's run. Let's run to a place that my father can't find us. Let's go to a place that we can get married.
Egom, running away is not the solution. Let's fight this together. We are going to get married and we will need our parents' blessing.
I'm scared.
I know you are scared. This is what we're going to do. We'll go inside and plan.
Okay. Missed you.
Missed you. Come, let's go inside.
Okay.
Young woman, why is it appearing to me as if there is something you are itching to say? What is it?
Greetings, Mazi Okeke. Please, I came to check if Egodi is in the house.
Are you actually this jobless? What is that your name again?
Nchekube.
Nchekube? You came this early to check if Egodi is in the house. Where else will Egodi be by this time if not in the house?
Hey.
Where else?
Mama.
Yes.
Egodi is not in this house, so.
What?
I thought as much. So she slept there. Hey! You don't know. I saw Egodi and Ikemefuna holding hands together and eating popo. Ikemefuna was even the one that helped her to carry her bag. Very big bag, oh. Big bag. They were holding hands together, eating popo.
Ah! Are you this completely useless? So your daughter did not sleep in this house and you're not even aware?
Nai, why are you accusing me? Are you not the man of the house? Yesterday I slept very early and I was very weak.
Mazi Okeke and Wanyemi. Hey, but you people did not inform the entire village that you both have secretly given out your daughter's hand in marriage.
Hey, shut up! Shut up, your sister! Who told you that? Who told you?
The house is obvious.
Only one daughter is one you cannot manage. Our daughter did not sleep in this house and you are not even aware as the woman of the house.
Even you're not aware now. Am I the only one in this house? I slept very early after
Oh, you are a failure. You are a failure as a woman. That's why you can be telling me this to my face.
I should be on my way.
Are you even still here?
Yes.
Are you not supposed to have gone already?
Okay.
Get out of this place.
Okay, thank you.
What is this? What is this? Where is he? Where is that son of a cow? Come out, Oshiso. Come out. Where are you? Come out. Then.
Mazi Okeke, what are you doing in my house this early?
You are asking as if you don't know. So you son of a cow, you have the mind to kidnap my daughter?
No, I did not kidnap her.
By the time I am done with you, you will understand why it is never good to be telling lies. You.
I did not kidnap her.
Grab this food. Ah! Beat it. Ah! Ow! Beat it. Oh! Ah! Ah!
want to kill my only son for me. What's wrong with you? Sorry. I'm joking. Sorry.
Papa, please.
Are you stupid or what? Have you seen this machete before?
No, Papa.
Good. This is the machete of the warrior that I lifted from the abode of the masquerade. Now you're going to tell me the truth. What exactly were you doing with that boy? Did he do anything with you?
Ometorogata, did he touch you?
I am taking it.
I'm sorry, please.
You sneak out of my own house to go and be with this damn boy. I told you I don't want to see you with.
Papa, please.
Godi, is it that you didn't remember me? Do you want me to die? You just left the house not thinking about your mother.
Nebik, I'm sorry, please. Please help me tell Papa that I cannot marry that old man.
You are very stupid. Even if I was going to change my mind, because of this thing you have done, I will never change my mind. In fact, you are already married to Osonye Kozu, and there is nothing that can stop that. Shut up.
Papa, please.
Did he touch you? Did he touch you?
Papa, please.
Okay, you don't know. You want to put me in trouble. You know your father very well. Jaya Bakwan Nago.
Okay, forgive one. In that Hanive. In Jirenti cha. Eh? I want you not to go there. I want you to leave that girl alone. But you refuse. Have you seen where your stubbornness has landed you to? Eh?
Ne, please take it easy. Take it. You. Come on.
Okay.
Ne, take it easy now.
Keep quiet. No, eh? As na na agwanti. Want to know am ebe fisi nti esoli eh?
I'm not giving up on Egodi. If they like, let them turn my head upside down. I will still fight for her.
Eh? You want to die because of Egodi, yeah? You're not an ear, Chacha.
Mazuki, wicked man. That man by wicked though.
Oh, wait, Cholia. I want you not to go there. I want you to leave that girl alone. But you refused. Next time, he's going to cut off your neck. Oh, yeah, Obuanani. Don't worry. You see, you are just as stubborn as your father.
I did not do anything to him. Oh. I'm in love with her daughter. Her daughter is in love with me.
Leave her daughter alone. Or even Nagwagi. I've warned you. So leave that maiden alone. She is not the only maiden in this village.
She's the only maiden in this village. Yes.
So you want to die because of her, yeah? No. If they kill you, if they kill you,
I'm fine now.
If not because you're my only son, eh?
No, I'm fine. No, I said I'm fine.
No,
I'm fine now.
Also, you have actually completed everything. You have fulfilled all the requirements.
So divided, heart apart, no more unity, hatred is here. Love has faded away because of betrayal in the past and in a It's your love, Shirika. It's your love, Shirika. Namo Yeraka, Namo Yeraka.
Hey, Zedibe, how long will you be repeating the same thing that is not generating any result? Help me. My daughter is down. Please, allow me to finish what I am doing so that I can know what is wrong with your daughter.
Yeah, it's okay, but it's taking so much time. It is not as if the sickness has been on for days. She collapsed only today. Only today.
Revive her. Revive her.
What I have been looking for all my life, now God has blessed me with it. Allow
Daughter
me.
is far from her body. I can see her spirit moving as if something is chasing after it.
What does that mean? I mean, how do you mean that something is chasing after the spirit of my daughter?
I need to seek answers to this question.
Go ahead. Oh, go ahead. Zedibia, help me. Help me. Help me. What is it?
Sadness. Your daughter does not need sadness in her life.
That is why I brought Ozo to marry her.
She has reached her limit. And as a result of that, her spirit has left her body.
Chimo! Hey, Chimo! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Hey! Shut up! What's this? Ezedibe, please. What shall we do so that her spirit can come back? If it is more money, tell me. I
need to seek for answer to this.
Again?
A flute?
A flute? I don't understand. What has a flute got to do with this?
Your daughter needs the sound of a flute blown into her ears beside her. The sound from the flute is what will call back her spirit. And the person that will blow this flute into her ears must be someone who loves her, and she loves that same person in return.
It's not a problem. It's not a problem. A flute?
There is one more thing that is yet to be revealed.
But the flute will be able to revive her now, right?
Yes.
No problem. I'll just...
But Dimo, you know also Onyekozu does not love our daughter, yet you want him to come play the flute at the expense of our daughter's life?
I don't understand. Are you the one who is in love? Also, Onyekozu himself told me that he loved our daughter.
That was what he said.
Also, are you at home?
That's okay, my good friend.
Also,
you're welcome to my house. Odogu, that's my bride to be.
Honestly, also,
listen.
Let me just
Listen.
break it down for you. Honestly, also, your bride to be is not getting any better. And the Dibia who is attending to her has given a very confusing condition. That is why I'm here. He said that for her to get better, that the man who loves her should be able to blow the flute for her. That when the man who loves her blows the flute for her, that she will get better. That is why I have come. I want you to come with flute and blow it for her so that she will get okay.
But Mazi, you know, I don't own flute. Neither can I blow flute.
It does not matter. I know you very well. I know you can arrange flute. Just arrange one flute and come and blow it for her. As long as it is coming from your heart, it is going to work.
I will make provision for one. Yes, I will. And I will come to the house.
I know I can.
I can even buy 2, 3.
I know I can trust you. Please.
Since that will make her get well.
Even
I
if,
will buy 10.
listen,
I will buy 20.
Even if you don't know what you're blowing. Even if what you're blowing is not making any sense.
Yes.
Just blow it from your heart.
Anyhow.
Please.
It's done now. I'll get some.
I'll be waiting for you.
Hey. Okay, please. Bye. I'll buy.
Just blow anything, even if you
I
don't
will buy.
Even if you don't know what you're blowing, just blow.
I can even buy 2, 3, 4. Say wait to her, please.
Ikem Evula! Ikem! Evula!
What is it?
What have you come to do in my house after all you and your family did to my son?
Ne, please calm down.
Meaning what?
Please. Chiriwayo. Ne, why are you crying? What is it? I hope Ego is fine.
Ego is not fine. During her traditional marriage with Ozo Onyeke Ozuru, she collapsed. And she has been like that.
She collapsed.
And we called the Great Dibia. The Great Dibia said her spirit left her body. That spirit can only come back to her body if the one she loves can play a flute. He came, Mom. You're the only one who truly loves my daughter, and you know she loves you too. Please, Biko, don't let my daughter die.
My son is not going anywhere. Let her die. It's not like
Please, don't say that.
Please for what?
Biko,
Let
don't
her
say
die,
that. Don't say that, please. Negodi, I will visit. Yes, I will.
When? Now?
I will visit. Just go, I will visit.
I'll be expecting you.
Yes, but you need to stop crying.
How can I stop crying?
Out of my house. After all they did to you, you still want to go and save her life, eh? You are not going anywhere. What have been agent?
Nay, it was Mazi Okeke that wronged me.
Melinda there?
Now I will go. I will go and help her.
Eh? So you mean you are going to help her after all they did to you? Eh? You're not going anywhere.
She did not do anything to me.
And so what?
I want to go and save her life.
Ask him what have been agent. We shall see.
I will go and save her life.
Let the flute be heard.
Onye mamora.
What's going on?
Danga, Ejimonzo, ure genukwu ndị mmụọ ọkamika. Without the heaven.
If anything should happen to my daughter, I will not forgive you. I told you that he does not love our daughter. You said you come and blow the flute.
What are you doing in my compound? You son of a cow! Get out.
No.
Get out of this place this minute.
The first man that played the flute, the sound of that flute was not welcomed by the spirit of your daughter. Give this man the chance for him to play the sound of the flute. Let's see if your daughter's spirit will be called back from the sound of his flute. You may begin.
Hey! Her hands are shaking. Hey! Hey! My daughter is awake! My daughter is awake!
Continue.
She's awake!
My spirit is coming closer.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
One more thing. What was not revealed before is now made open. It is said that you are not happy with his late father. You must forgive him and the entire family so that his sound of flute can bring back the life of your daughter. It must be now.
Man, yeah, no.
Okay. I have forgiven your father of the betrayal. I've equally forgiven you. Go ahead. I've forgiven you.
Hey! Hands are shaking! Hands are shaking! None of you! Hands are shaking! Hey, thank the gods!
He is the rightful person that truly loves your daughter.
Enemy of progress!
I take my leave.
You went and brought that your old cargo friend to come and blow flute.
I expect your sacrifices, Adishima.
I will send your balance.
You can. Dalo.
Thank you. Thank you for what you have done for my family. Now I confirm that you truly love my daughter. On this very day that the love got established, I have forgotten everything your father did to me. You may now come with your people. You come and pay her bride price.
Thank you, Mazi. Thank you.
Hey! Nadal, oh! I told you!
Love lele, ifunanya. Love lele, ifunanya. Ejim love obia, donye mo bigi. Ejim love obia, donye mo bigi. Onweronye ga samu no wa kisi asamu. Onweronye ga masimo kisi masim. Onweronye ga samu no wa kisi asamu. Onweronye ga masimo kisi masim. Onweronye ga samu no wa kisi asamu. You are my lover. Love, I love you, baby. You are my lover. You are my lover. I love you. I love you, baby. You are my lover. You are my lover. I love you, baby. My true love. Onyem Bonobi. My true love. You are my lover. Onyem Bonobi. I love you, baby. You are my lover. Udala chala chano wa welonyilo. Mabula bukwede. Asikwana na ogobugo mwe nanko. Cause love is for peace, love is for unity. Papa emechokwa n'obi mo. Ezinna emechokwa na mmụọ. Emechokwa n'obi mo.